In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few helpful tips so your layout looks clean and consistent. Let's start right from the beginning by opening the Framer dashboard. This is your home base, the place where all your sites and projects are listed. If you've just logged in, you should land here automatically. Take a second to scan your projects so you know which one you want to work on. Keeping your workspace organized with clear project names will make this part much smoother. Next, open the project you want to edit. Click on your existing project to enter the editor. Framer will load your canvas and the Layers panel on the left, with the Properties panel on the right. If your project has multiple pages or frames, make sure you've selected the specific frame or section where you want to apply the grid. This helps the layout settings target exactly the right container. Now, look to the right-hand Properties panel and locate the Layout section. This is where Framer lets you define how elements are arranged inside the selected frame. If the section is collapsed, simply expand it to reveal the available layout options. You'll see choices that control how items flow, align, and space themselves within the container. Keeping an eye on this panel while you work is key, because it's where most of your structural decisions are made. From here, choose Grid as your layout. The moment you select Grid, the frame switches to a grid-based structure, which allows you to position elements in rows and columns with consistent spacing. This is perfect for galleries, product listings, feature cards, or any design that benefits from repeatable structure. After selecting Grid, you'll notice controls that let you fine-tune how the grid behaves, things like the number of columns, the gaps between items, and alignment. Small adjustments here make a big difference. Tighter gaps create a dense look, while larger gaps feel more airy. Centered alignment can feel balanced, while start alignment reads more editorial. If your design needs to adapt across screen sizes, consider how the grid's column count and spacing work at different breakpoints. Keeping measurements consistent, like using even numbers for gaps, helps maintain visual rhythm. And as you try settings, keep an eye on the canvas so you can immediately see how your content responds. That's all there is to adding a grid in Framer. Open your project, head to the Layout controls, and select Grid. With that in place, you're ready to build clean, repeatable structures that look great and scale beautifully.